What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how I clean my wheels. First, I like to pre-rinse everything. On this Aviator, it has the carpeted wheel liner. A lot of leaves and road grime gets stuck in it, so I like to pre-rinse that very thoroughly before I get to the wheel. And then I'll go ahead and I'll pre-rinse everything on the wheel, so whatever's loose gets blown away. Now I'm going to start adding some soap. This is my Autofanatic wheel cleaner. It's set up in an IK foam sprayer. I like to spray everything down and let it dwell for a little bit before I actually start hitting it with any agitation. Now I got this little wheel brush. I like to scrub everything outside the tire first, and I always work in halves. I like to work on one half, rinse the brush, and then get to the other half. You don't want to have debris stuck in the brush and you're dragging that all around. You want to sort of divide and conquer. Now I'm going to add some more soap to the rim. I then use a small little brush. I get into the wheel lugs as well as the small spaces where my larger brush won't fit. Now I have this other barrel brush. I don't do the in and out. I like to do in and out, side to side, just so you can get to everything evenly. And again, you saw I worked on half of the wheel, started from the top of the wheel, worked my way to the bottom. So as the debris and dirt flows down, you're not dragging that back up. And all these black streaks, that's all dirt. Now I'm cleaning the face of the wheel. So you can see I get to one side of the spoke, the middle of the spoke, and then the other side of the spoke. And I work on one half of the wheel and then the other half. Now I'm just rinsing up the face. Once rinsed off, I saw a spot that I kind of missed, so adding some more soap and brushing it off. There you guys go. That's how I cleaned my wheels. Thanks for watching.